Hi, this video is to show you how to take a home testing rectal swab kit for conditions such as chlamydia and gonorrhea. Your test will arrive in a plain envelope or cardboard box and it'll contain the following. It'll contain one sample bottle. Please make sure that your name and date of birth is on this. One cotton bud tipped swab, one plastic transporter, and this is to make sure that there's no damage to your sample during the post. You might also receive a blank testing form, and if you do receive this, please make sure you complete all of your details, including the date you took the test, your name, date of birth, address, and if you'd like to be notified by text message, your full mobile number. You'll also receive testing instructions, and finally a prepaid return envelope, so there's no need for stamps. What you need to do is unpack your swab. You'll notice that the swab's got a cotton bud end, and this needs to be inserted into your bottom. So what you need to do, using my hand to demonstrate, is with one hand slightly open your bottom cheeks, and what you need to be very careful is not to rub the cotton bud swab on your cheeks. It does need to be inserted into the anal canal, and what you then need to do is insert it about 3 centimeters and give it a swab for about 10 seconds. Then pull it out, get your testing bottle, make sure that nothing else touches the cotton bud tip, and carefully open your bottle. You'll notice that the bottle has already got a liquid in it that's a stabilising liquid for the lab it needs to be in, so don't tip that out. Pop the cotton bud into the bottle until it hits the black mark and then gently break. Then get your lid top and securely fasten it. Once it's securely fastened, get your transporter, and the plastic mould will protect your sample when it goes in the post. So pop that in there and securely fasten it down. Once that's in place, get your testing form if you were supplied with one, and your sample and your form need to go into the return envelope. Once that's in, remove the seal, securely fasten it down, and that can be posted off in any Royal Mail post box. Thanks for watching this video. For information on our sexual health services, please visit the links below.